sound soars higher, the factory becoming an intricate circuit board of light, connected by roads and rail lines to the wider world.
And this is the high-tech sugarcane factory you've never seen before, where nature's cane is transformed into pure sugar step by step.
This spent bagasse is not waste. The conveyor carries it at high speed towards the boiler house. It is the factory's primary fuel.
The bagasse is blown by powerful fans into giant, high-pressure boilers. Through a sight glass, we see a raging inferno.
Meanwhile, it produced raw juice from all the mills, now a river of murky liquid, flabbity through water.
The screened raw juice collects in a large, agitated tank called the raw juice well. It is warm.
The juice is rapidly heated by steam in this heat exchanger. We see the temperature gauges climb to around 7
Rolls. The hot juice enters a large, cylindrical vessel called a leaming tank. Here, a precise...
The limed juice, now a murky gray color, flows into a massive, multi-tray clarifier.
The process is a masterpiece of energy efficiency, reusing latent heat again and again to concentrate the syrup. The juice, now thickened into a pale golden syrup, about 65 bricks.
The thick, warm syrup from the evaporators is now pumped to the heart of the sugar-making process, the pan stage.
The syrup is fed into the first vacuum pan, known as the A-strike or white striking pan.
The process is seeded. A valve opens and a stream of ultra-fine powdered sugar suspended in alcohol is in.
We are feeding the syrup steadily now.
Yes, the growth rate is increasing, bricks levels look good.
Centrifugal force pins the massacrete against the perforated wall. The mother liquor, now called molasses, is forced through the
This raw, or A sugar, is conveyed to a large, horizontal rotating dryer, a drum with internal... Meanwhile, the molasses spun off from the A-strike is not wasted. It is collected in tanks and pumped back to the pan house to be boiled again.
The B massacrete is processed in a separate set of centrifuges. The sugar recovered here is darker.
This final molasses has uses. A pipeline carries it away to a separate storage tank farm. The warm, dried A sugar from the centrifuges is conveyed to a large affination station. Here, it is...
The magma is pumped to a second set of specialized centrifuges. These affination centrifuges
The sugar liquor is pumped through a series of pressurized leaf filters or a carbonatation system. Here, it is...
The bright liquor is pumped back to the pan house. dedicated to refined strikes. The seed is introduced, and perfect.
The goal is uniform, medium-sized crystals for standard granulated sugar. The massacrete here is white and glossy, not amber.
The cooled massacrete is sent to the final set of high-speed centrifuges. These machines are often fully automated and include.
The spun sugar crystals are a brilliant white. They are conveyed to a large, horizontal granulator dryer.
The dried, polished white sugar is elevated to the top of the packaging plant. It
Bagasse burns in the boilers, producing superheated steam that spins the turbines for electricity.
Water treatment is critical. The camera shows the reverse osmosis and mineralization plant. River or well water is...
The bricks levels are stable at 65.
Noted.
Adjust the flow rate slightly.
A portion of dried white sugar is fed into a mill, where it's ground into a fine powder, icing sugar. White sugar crystals are tumbled in a large drum while refined molasses is sprayed onto them, coating each crystal evenly to create brown sugar.
Okay, pan 4 is holding the strike well. We've got good crystal growth. Just keep the feed rate steady at 0.2.
This superfine massacrete is spun in centrifuges lined with finer screens. The resulting sugar is so fine wastewater treatment finale. All process water, wash water, and cooling water is channeled to a biological treatment plant. The bagasse handling system is a marvel of logistics. Conveyors, blowers, and storage bunkers move the fibrous fuel from the mill tandem.
The SEM images confirm the hollow structure.
Yes, the encapsulation efficiency is much higher than the previous batch.
This hotspot represents a major energy loss. Schedule the repair crew for this section immediately.
Yes, prioritizing this morning.
The mill tandem is now supervised by predictive analytics.
The clarifiers are managed by an automated mud level detection system. Submerged sensors detect the interface between clear.
The massive multi-effect evaporator is controlled by a complex algorithm that balances steam economy against scaling risk.
The packaging lines are fed by an AI-driven scheduling system. It will run a 10-ton order of icing sugar.
Blockchain integration for traceability. As a batch of organic sugar is packed at a point,
Predictive quality modeling. The AI doesn't just react, it forecasts. Using historical data and current
This material is dissolved and fed back into the remelt system, ensuring a true zero sugar to waste policy.
As you can see, the synchronization of the robotic arms ensures peak efficiency in the packaging hall.
A sample of white sugar is dissolved in ultra-pure water. This is placed in a colorimeter that measures its absorbance at specific wavelengths.
Online neurofirsers analyze moisture and polarization in real time. The data feeds back to the dryer control.
The calibration data for the Q3 standards.
Right here, Madam Inspector, and this dashboard tracks the sample in real time across the facility.
Excellent. Everything appears to be in perfect order.
The certificate of analysis confirms we met the internal specifications on this batch.
Very good. Let's sign off.
Drone soars higher, the factory becoming an intricate circuit board of light, connected by roads and rail lines to the wider world.
And this is the high-tech sugarcane factory you've never seen before, where nature's cane is transformed into pure sugar step by step.